Assalamu alaikum student. I am Noreen Abbasi and this is the chapter of social studies for class 7th and the chapter is the universe, chapter number 1. Open your book at page number 1. I want to explain about the universe. The vast space that around the earth and extends to infinity is called universe. The science that deals with the study of universe based on observations and predictions called astrology. The universe has three main constituents: galaxies, which we say nebulae, stars, and the solar system. The universe has countless stars. These are not uniformly distributed in the system. They are found in groups or in clusters. Such clusters is known as galaxy. The galaxy which has the sun has one of its paths is called Milky Way. There are around 100 million galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy has billions of stars on its path. The sun is also a star and 8 planets revolving around it. Satellites revolve around the planet. The planets are satellite and the sun constitute the solar system. The solar system lies on the outer end of the Milky Way galaxy, which is a spiral-shaped structure revolving clockwise. And one thing more I want to tell you for your convenience, as you are seeing this figure, there are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. For your convenience, there is one thing which I want to say. You can easily learn this sentence. My very elegant mother just sent us 9 pizzas. You can learn this planet means Mercury, very Venus, elegant Earth, Mother Mars, Jupiter, just Jupiter, and Saturn, Saturn, and Uranus. Us is Uranus, and 9 is Neptune. This is for your convenience. You can easily learn the sequence of these planets. Now, I want to explain the moon. See the picture of moon. We can see some of moon with the naked eye and even better with a pair of binoculars. We can see mountains and seas. It is best to look at the full moon to see the formation on it. This is the picture of moon. Moon is our nearest neighbor. It is much closer than the sun in space. It is 2,39,000 million away. The moon is much smaller than the earth. The moon is not like a sun or other stars. It does not give off its light. The sunlight bounces off it. The moon takes 28 days to go completely around the earth. It has craters. Craters means big holes. They has no air. It does not have water. There is no life on the moon. Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, was the first person to step on the moon. And now the phases of the moon. This is a figure of phases of the moon. On page number 5. The moon looks different at different times. Does it change its shape? No, the moon stays the same. How we see it from Earth. Sometimes we see part of it. When the sun is behind the moon, we see it all. We see it at all. We call it new moon. The night is very dark. When the sun is facing the moon, we see the whole phases of the moon lit up. This is called the full moon. And now the phases of the moon according to this figure. The moon keeps on changing its shape because of its revolution around the earth. The different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. The revolution of the moon around the earth makes the moon appear as if it changing shape in the sky. From the earth, we see the moon grow from a thin crescent to a full disk and then shrink back to a thin crescent, again before vanishing for a few days. And now there is eclipses. These occur when three heavenly bodies come into line. What are the heavenly bodies? Earth, Sun, and Moon. So that one block out the other. This is a diagram of solar eclipse. In solar eclipse, when the moon comes in between the earth and sun, this is the solar eclipse. And this is the figure of lunar eclipse. When the earth comes in between the sun and moon, this is the lunar eclipse. Thank you so much.